Hey guys, welcome to the Global Surf Learning Program. I'm Ricky, the head coach. In this series of videos, we will approach some information, inputs and tips that will provide you a better understanding of surfing and will help you improving your techniques. Bring your board and join us. So today we are going to talk about the parts of the board and how to carry the board. So first of all, this is a surfboard, a soft top surfboard. The boards have different parts. We have the nose, we have the tail, the rails, which is the side parts of the surfboard, the top and the bottom part. Also, every surfboard is included with fins and also a leash. The leash is what gonna making you attach to the board while you surf so you don't lose it. The leash more or less have 1 meter to 1.5 meters, so this means that everybody around you can be eaten by your board. So we need to understand how to carry the boards while we go into the water. First thing, we always should carry the board next to us by our side. If you cannot take the board with your arm to the middle, you can go through the front part of the board and basically just drag it while you go inside the water. In this video, the surfer keeps the board beside him and after the shore break, he hops on the board and starts to paddle. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed and you learned something, please follow us to the next video.